Hey, we are back in our kitchen. What we're going to do? We're going to make this beauty one. It's called popcorn. Say popcorn. Popcorn. We're going to make popcorns. Okay, so what do we need for popcorn? First of all, who knows? What is that? Yes, we need corn, okay? We making our popcorn from the corn. So say corn. Corn. We need a corn. After that, another ingredient which is to make it the taste of popcorn. What are you going to use? We're going to use sugar. Say sugar. Sugar. Yes, please. So say sugar. Sugar. Hot. It's butter. Say butter. Butter. We're going to need these three ingredients to make our beautiful popcorn. Okay? So the butter, you see, what color is the butter? It's here. Yellow. So you see, because of the butter, our popcorn going to become yellow. Usually they're white. It's going to become yellow popcorn. Who's ready to make some popcorn? Eat. This is what is that? It's popcorn. Say popcorn. So say corn. Huh? Corn. You want some? Here we go. Yeah, get one. Yeah, good job. Look at it. Go on. Say popcorn.